Okay, so full honesty right out of the gate. When these first come out of the box, they definitely need a little bit of love. These are the 3 foot real touch cedar topiary trees, and because they're packed really tightly for shipping, you do need to take a few minutes to fluff and shape them. What I do love about them is their base. It's realistic. I love the moss and the planter. I love all of that. That's little details that I would have had to personally go out and purchase separately, but now I don't have to. So I just have to take a couple minutes and go ahead and fluff these bad boys up. I actually love the look of this because once you do, they're honestly beautiful. After spreading out the branches and adjusting the shape, they look full, natural, and very realistic. The greenery has that soft, real touch feel that doesn't look shiny or fake, which is a huge plus for faux plants. These are going to come as a set of 2, already potted, and they're the perfect size. They're not too tall and they're not too small. I placed mine by the front door, but you could easily use them on a porch, in an entryway, by a fireplace, in a living room, or even in an office. They work both indoors and outdoors because they're UV resistant, so you don't have to worry about fading if they're outside. What I love most is how versatile they are. Once they're fluffed, you can move them anywhere, and they instantly make the space feel more finished. You don't have to worry about watering, no shedding needles, no maintenance, just easy, classic greenery. So yes, plan on fluffing them when they arrive, but once you do, they are one of those decor pieces that you'll keep moving around your house because they look good literally everywhere. And once that initial fluff is done, you no longer need to play with it.